because I'm shooting this intro in the morning. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever time you're going to be watching me. I hope I'm audible enough because I bado niko na ile hangover ya usingizi because I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. I'm about to head out to work, but I thought I'd do an intro for a video that I'm supposed to upload tomorrow or maybe today, I'm not sure, because I realized I don't have an intro for that. So this is what I'm doing. So hi everyone, how is everyone doing? I hope that you all are doing okay. Thank you so much for the love that you have shown my last 2 videos. Yeah, the last 3 videos that I have uploaded, they have done really well. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for the subscriptions. I'm grateful for all of you who keep coming up to keep up with my content. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. If you're new here, my name is Jay Kinyo. I do content on lifestyle, beauty and fashion. Yeah, and so today guys, as you can see, if you know me, you know that I moved out. I'm in my new house, and this is where I'm shooting this intro because I forgot to shoot the intro in my previous house. And so here it is. I shot I did a house tour for my previous house before I moved out because, well, I thought I should, and I felt like I needed to do that for myself and also for someone else out there who might get inspired by that. And so yeah, I hope you're going to enjoy the video. And there's, okay, I can't say it's not much because I have grown. Damn, I've grown from that house, from the previous house I was living in, which was a single room, to now that house that I have moved out. And recently I've grown, man. It's a bedsitter, yes, but this house is so beautiful and it's so big. I did an empty house tour, which I'm going to upload, I think, after this video that I'm doing an intro for, so you're going to see it. I'm talking too much, so guys, enjoy this video. I hope someone is going to watch and is going to get inspired. So if you're out there and you're starting life and you're feeling like things are tight for you, I was there, and I used to feel the same thing that you're feeling right now. And if someone told me back then that there is a day that I'm going to be standing inside such a beautiful house that is all mine, I'm like, you're kidding me. Hope you're going to enjoy this video. And yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let's interact on this comment section, like this video even before you watch. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. We are currently at, I think, 635. Let's get to 1k subscribers. Atukombali sana. Let's get there, guys, and I'm going to appreciate. So guys, enjoy. This is the entrance of my house right now. Those are the curtains I have. That's the curtain window. Yeah, kitchen window. That's just a sheet I had there, and that is the curtain for the main door. This one is ni ndefu sana kushinda the length of the wall. So yeah, that's why iko hivyo. That is my mtungi. wet, and there's a time ilifanya switch maji wale ili sweat, maji ikateremka ikaingia hapa, the shower switch ikaburst. So this one is here to absorb the water when the wall were in a sweat. Then this is the bathroom, which I'm not going to be showing because there's nothing much going on here. I'm so happy that I'm moving, and the next house that I'm moving into, the bathroom is actually pretty, and yeah, I'm so excited about that. Then from the dressing area, which is that, the next thing is my kitchen area, which is this one here. And the first thing that you see on my kitchen area is this kitchen table, which was made by the same person who made my TV stand over there. That is my kitchen table, nothing much. And my tabletop cooker, my two baskets za kuweka vitunguu na nini, my sink iko na vyombo chafu, so I'm not going to show. I'm going to skip that. That's my Wi-Fi. Those are cabinets that were recently installed in this house, which I appreciate even if I'm moving out. And that the working space on the sink, I used to keep my utensils down there. I'm happy that the next house I'm moving into, there's a whole cabinet, enough storage I mean, to keep my space, my things, and I'm so happy about that. So yeah, that's it for my current house, and I'm so happy to be moving out. I'm shooting this video rush, as in kwa haraka, because I am supposed to be packing. I want to pack everything. Video, and I hope you have liked and left a comment and subscribed, and I hope to see you back here on the next upload that I'm going to make. Sorry guys, I'm blubbering. It's because I have like 20 minutes to get to work. It's not a distance, but I'm already late. So thank you for watching the video, and see you guys on my next one.